Hi, Judd here. I'm working on the Honda, trying to get that starter replaced, and I have made progress. I just wanted to get this down for the record. This is Judd doing car repairs is like that's the next level up from Judd doing cooking videos. Okay, but there's a beautiful video online of how to change out the starter in a '99 Honda Accord, which is what this is, and that was a great help. I'll put the link to it in because I haven't memorized it. And I just want to add a couple of hints. The first bitch, is getting the battery platform out, and that is this baby. And you'd think no big deal, but underneath it is that. You see, and access is kind of limited. So what I want to pass on as a hint is that underneath screw right there does not have to come out. I took it all the way out. You don't have to take it all the way out. It just has to come out a little way because look, it slips off. Okay, so you just got to loosen that one and lift off. Okay, and that's a number 12 millimeter along with the two top ones here. Okay, and then the battery, the bottle that's attached to it, you just take the top off of it and you can take that out. The other hint I did was on the filter box, the air filter box. I pried this spring clip out of the groove with some very tiny screwdrivers and rolled it out of there, and then was able to just slip the box off here instead of having to take that whole tube off, which is what I did is a lot easier than that. So, and there's my starter down there. I'm going to take a break because, like I said, I'm not a car guy, and this is very trying for me. I've been working at getting at this for months. Also, you need a big handle for your wrench. Okay, that's the handle for my wrench. Woo! Okay. Oh, and to get under that battery box, you needed to get in from here, so you needed a 6 and a 3 and an adapter and a short 12 millimeter. But if you got a long 12 millimeter, I don't know, you work it out. But you got to get it out past this hose so you can get the handle on it. Okay? And I hit everything with PV Blaster, but it still needed that big handle. And once I put the big handle on it, it came fairly reasonably. I didn't have to exert a great deal of strength to do it because I ain't got a great deal of strength. So anyways, I just want to brag that I've gotten some progress. I've made some progress on getting this starter replaced. Because once I get that replaced, this car is good, I think. Or it should be, unless it's been sitting too long. So there you go. I'm bragging. I did car work. Happy day to you.